Thing 4, cloud initiation. So we're going to go over to Google here and we're going to go down to the drive. You do have to be signed in order for this to work. The Google Drive is really helpful because there is lots of different things that you can do on Google. So if you click new, you can create a folder, you can upload your files, you can upload a different folder, you can do like a Word document, you can do an Excel sheet, or you can also do like PowerPoint, or they have all of these different things too. And Google is really nice because say I created all these here. So let's go into my wedding because I'm currently planning a wedding right now. You go into my wedding budget here and say that I type something in. Oops, I can't spell. I didn't save it. Oops, didn't save it. Go back into it and it's still there. So it's nice because you don't actually have to hit the save button. So we don't need that in my wedding, so I'll just go ahead and get rid of that. It's also nice because you can share things. So you can go into shared with me and you can see that I actually shared this was shared by my fiance to me. So you can see down here that there's different things that I shared um, or was shared to me so that way I would have access. And it's really nice because you can do this with your students and their parents if you want to type up like their homework and then share it to them. If they have any questions, they can get back to you, and you can always see like when somebody's online and different things like that. So that is the end of thing 4.